what it do, man? It's your boy Daddy Brian, man. Hey, say we over here at Lakeline Mall, man. My boy got his own CBD vending machine, man. Finna go support my boy, man. So come on over here and shit. Got his own vending machine, man. CBD gummies and shit. So finna go support him. Every time I swipe, it goes straight to his bank account, man. This is my partner I chill with every day and shit. So finna go support my man, black on and shit. You know what I'm saying? I guess I gotta do it like this. Say I got $100 credit, man. They saying too much, man. CBD gummies, man. Y'all need to go check my boy out and shit. Top floor, second floor, man, by the dealers and shit. Over here reviving shit, man. CBD gummies, man. This is my boy, dog. I'm finna call him after this, man. Hey, say, man, you see my transaction? Shit crazy. I ain't never seen no CBD gummies. Well, my boy got a vending machine though. You already know, man.